welcome. So you don't have to type it out.
No, I'm doing it in I'm just gonna do a substitution of with like text sc, right?
It is text as C, yes, but why would you not make a GL for gloss command?
No, what I'm doing is I'm just gonna do a fine replace for this gloss, and I'll write them all in caps, and then I'll replace it after. I mean, I guess you could do. Yeah, your /T and your /N got destroyed by Twitch chat there, Sasha.
What?
You command /GL1x.
They look completely fine on my end.
Huh, well, apparently it gets balked on the dashboard version that I'm looking at then.
Does it do new line and what is T?
No, it literally just looks like you command, like, let me... /T is normally tab, but like... upload to Imgur, connecting to Imgur, please wait. That's what it looks like. It's just gotten rid of them.
Well, they appear on my end.
New command gloss 1 text sc 1. Okay, I've done that, but like I still need to do a fine replace. So what I need to do is I need to say any sequence of capital letters that is followed. See, this now gets complicated because some of these I don't want to replace because some of these have got right. Anything that is a anything that does not have a lowercase letter followed by a sequence of uppercase letters. That is in fact only selecting my glosses. Good, good. Okay, now how do I make this lowercase? Because text sc needs the input to be lowercase, doesn't it?
Yes.
Uh,
Well, it doesn't need to, it just won't do anything to the uppercase ones.
Hello? /L does not work in regexa. That is the most inconvenient thing in the world.
You could just run like a 2 lowercase thing on the entire like text.
I no, because I have some of these that need to be capitals, but I'll just recapitalize them, I guess. Because I have some capitals on my commands.
Oh.
Okay.
So you do. Well, that's dumb.
And I need to bring in the /GL first.
Now I forgot what I was looking for.
You should be...
Was singulative genitive. Then I am genitive. No.
Okay, so then we bring this in over to my page over here, and we need to make sure that this is I capital D, this is I capital D, this is S capital U, this is E capital D, this is D capital U, and then compile. It is now small caps and you can stop complaining.
Thanks.
I can also probably add in an extra word to the right hand side here, but yeah, I should probably do that. No, it's 6 and 4. Hello, you get stolen to be put here. and then you get stolen to be put here.
And I get to define a new word. Oh, this is great. This is great. This is gonna be my
Okay, what are you warning? You're warning me about Unicode strings again. That's not fair. I thought I fixed that one. Right. Yeah, that fits now. I could probably fit toot oo as well.
This is my verb stem for to exceed. It's spelled like this.
I will look in a second. Sorry, I'm just moving some stuff.
Hast du geholfen?
Yeah, that's a Swiss German.
No, it's just
Yeah.
bad English.
That's yeah, it's
Heißt
definitely
grad jetzt oder heißt grad bald?
that's a Swiss.
Okay.
What is
Oh,
H? H
don't
is
do it to
H
me.
is H nerd. It's H.
It's not though. It's like I literally typed the IPA right above.
Oh, in Sasha's. Yeah.
It's just the glottal stop.
Yeah, but like that though, Sasha.
No. I don't have.
I'm using apostrophe for glottal stop
I'm not.
Why?
because that's a standard way of writing glottal stop.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
Palatalization.
I don't have palatalization and I have a glottal
I have
stop.
palatalization and glottal stop and don't use apostrophe for either, so suck it.
I mean, I have both and don't use apostrophe for either. So yeah.
Yeah. What else am I going to use for glottal stop?
Q.
Yeah, no, Q is eng, so it can't be. Q is locked up in being eng. Which I think may be the easiest way to tilt a lot of conlangers. It's up there with like fun and on using Q as a vowel.
I mean, at some point, I think we will have to create a language where a glottal stop is actually a poop emoji, because no one can stand the apostrophe.
I hate slashes.
Backslashes.
No, front slashes in Twitch.
Oh yeah, use front
yeah.
slashes for glottal stop.
No, I'm like, my glosses are nothing but backslashes because so much information is encoded by tone.
Have you considered this? Alternatively, or something like that.
No, because I really like my system of all of the voicelesses are just the voiced character from English. It makes it easy to remember. Like, it is literally equivalent IPA symbol, but voiced and voiceless distinction being transcribing as...
I can't go however because my document isn't compiling.
Like, it's... I don't know. I don't think it's too bad.
Jag kommer about this thing kompilerat.
I think having Q and G swapped doesn't do that much.
Okay, delete the thing and let's take a look over my thingy again because... Yeah...
Okay.
It wouldn't compile actually. It literally couldn't.
Okay.
Didn't tell you how many columns. 1,
Time
2,
to do another syntax test.
4.
What word are we getting? How many do we have to do? 5, right?
Yeah, 5 would be the desired amount. Alright.
The kitten jumped onto the table. There are no cats in space. The robot jumped onto the table.
Why are there no cats in space?
There's no cats in space.
Alright, so my
So
thingy
well-known.
compiled, so I gotta go dinner now. Bye.
That's fair.
Yeah.
Subject section. The robot jumped onto the table. Input glosses. Robot jump. No cat. Yeah, no cats in space. Nerd. My people have figured out how to make gravitons. Memes have evolved to levels that you could no longer comprehend beyond cack pictures and gifs. Okay. To make a new gloss, this one is going to be called.
Yes, it is.
It's just a robot jump, right? Robot jump.tech. New file. Robot jump.tech. Alright. So this one here, we have got jump is our verb. It is in divalent, jump would make sense to jump. I mean, divalent would make sense as a s jumps to. Okay, let's go to the lexicon and do this. I need a word for jump. Where's my crappy program? Give me a command prompt, please, computer. Thank you, computer. Documents, code. Give me some words, please, computer.
What kind?
Words, just words.
Trampoline.
No, that phonotactically valid words in my conlang.
Oh, I don't know. I don't know your phonotactics.
It's CV optional F.
Kafka.
That is. I can't dispute that that's a valid word, but also it's actually not because I don't have an A.
Kefke.
Yeah, Kefke.
Can the C be an F?
Can
I guess so.
C be an F? Wait, I don't have an. Do I have an F?
I mean, it's like fricative.
I do have a fricative, yeah, Kafka. Well, I was checking I had F. It is F that I have. I do labial fricatives as labiodentals. Probably from a sound change at some point, but you know, I haven't actually written any diachronics.
About your retarded vowel system.
My retarded what system?
Vowel.
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 That's the
vowel.
That's the wrong vowel you've put in that word there, Slorani. Yeah. What's wrong with my vowel system? 4 vowel systems are great.
No, they're not.
What's your beef with 4 vowel systems?
I mean, yes, they're great. They're also retarded.
Okay, you know what? I can't argue against that. But no, it's great.
It's great. That's retarded. I mean, it's great at being retarded.
Yeah, that's acceptable.
You're acceptable.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, it finally got around to generating some words for me. Alright, we're using noihu to be jump. Awesome. Noihu. N-E-I is the only thing I currently have in there, so that's going to just be N-O-I, who, dict entry, noihu, verb table, S jump, A jumps onto the patient and D jumps onto R.
Oh, results. First results in 8 minutes. Well, the French election. I'll keep you posted.
Yeah, it's who's the Donald Trump 2.0 and how's he polling?
He's not Donald Trump. I mean, he's competent.
Okay, that's fair. But language's purpose is communication, and the sentence Donald Trump 2.0 instantly told you who I meant, so therefore I succeeded.
But, I mean, it's Emmanuel Macron, and well, the only thing he actually has in common with Donald Trump is that He's a businessman.
Oh, that's fair.
He was a banker for Rothschild.
Wait, so you've got an accent and a pastor, right? That's your election fight?
Naturally, we have a racist and a racist isolationist cunt and a little banker fuck.
Oh, so like all
But-
the options suck. It's like every election.
Yeah, but at least the banker was a minister of economy and work under the socialist government.
Ah.
There is this going on, but that's pretty much it.
That's fair. So, words, robot, jump. Robot is probably the topic of this, which means I need to back robot. So, jump, table, robot, where this is the agent, and this is the patient.
I'll just go cook something.
That's fair.
I'm staying though.
Jump, table. Yeah, so this now requires me to use an article. I hadn't thought at all about articles. Do I want articles? If I had articles, it would make sense to have articles mirror the singular, dual, plural, and have a not just an indefinite and a definite, but an indefinite, a definite, and a dual. Or, would that make sense? I could just have them separate. Do I want articles? I don't want articles. Now, screw articles. Using Chinese number system. Use numbers. Numbers are good. Numbers make sense. No one has problems with numbers. Grammar. The nominal here. To assign number, indefinite number, to a noun, the word, one syllable word. Yeah is used. Have I used yeah for anything else? Yep. Yeah. Is possession. What about poo? I've not used poo. The word poop. Count is used followed by okay, we need a table and we need it to be a nice table, so let's make a good table. You get to be fixed as well, and you are going to be just like RL, not begin table. And then you get centering and label tab number and ref tab caption number system. They use base 8 because I can decide nonsense like that on the fly here. 8. Times 10 is 100. 100 times 100 is 1,000. Is 10,000. Just say 10,100. It's 10,000, and then 10,000 times 10,000 is 100 million. 100 million. Okay. Generate me some numbers. Okay, we've got gay. Nyoth. Dogo. Hit. Or. Pose. No. Giso. Gisho. B. May. I don't know. We call this one of gay. No, we call this one May. We call this one Poife. We call this one deviate, and we call this one Chedosh. T diaresis a to chetos. Atos. Atos. Yeah, Atos. Okay. The 5 people, the 6 men is men was Shet S-U Shet Shepu Gisho Shepu Gisho numbers are base 8 and use and form numbers above 8 8 times by 64. That would be 108. That should be a 7. Okay, so we've got 63 here, which is obviously 8 times by 10. Wait, no, what? 8 times by 8 plus 7 is 71. 8 times by 8 plus 8 would be 72. It's 7 times by 8 plus 7. Yeah. So that would be 77 would be the next big rollover. But it's just whatever. Yeah. multiples of 10(8) are written by placing the multiple before the word. This continues for higher exponents, i.e. I need a random number between 1 and 100, 0 and like that big ass number there. It has generated for me this number here is auth. Okay, let's break this number up a bit into. Okay, it's definitely going to end in 6, which is D short. Then it has 0 tens. It has 100, which means we need to put 100 before it, which is poife. So poife gisho is 106. Okay. But then the 10,000 mark it has none of. But it has got, I know it's got 737. So we have got to do 737 sets of 10,000, so we have to do 737. So we have 7, which is B, 30, which is K or okay. Undefined control sequence. That's because these should be U's, not D's. Yes. Which it can be read as 7 May. B is just 3. No, 3. So we have 7. B poife. Times 100 plus hecha, which is 3, plus B, what, 7? No, these should all be D. So we've got 7 times 100 plus 3 times 10 plus 7, which is the B. All times by PoAs, which is 100. No, B needs to have the deviate after it, which is times by 10,000. Plus 100. Plus PoAs D short. Okay, I would like Wolfram Alpha to pass that to make sure I am correct, because that is a stupid number system. I like it. Seven three seven zero. Wait, that's 7370, not 73700. There should be an extra 1,000 in here. Hmm.
65.1% for macro.
There you go. 73, 700, 106. Why is figuring out how to write things in new number systems a pain? Which is, okay. All of these are just sequentially growing, because 10 times 10 is 100, 100 times 100 is 10,000, and 10,000 times 10,000 is 100 million. So, definitely going to end in 6. Definitely ends in 6, which I'm going to make way shorter. This should just be D. And this should just be K. Okay. I should probably go cook in a minute. That's going to be awkward for timing of things. Right, let's figure out this first. So we have 73700,106. So we are definitely going to have a plus 6 at the end and a 100 plus 6. Okay, but then we need to build the rest of this, which is how many lots of... Alright, no, let's just be sensible, me. You know how to do base conversions even into weird, unbalanced nonsense. Where's my calculator? Hello? Calculator? Calculator where? Here. Okay. Right. This number, 73700,106. Okay, does this divide by 100 million? Answer, it does not. It's not a full division there. Okay, what about 10 1,000. Yes, it is. Seven, 370 times by 1,000. Minus 7370. With what left over? This times by with 106 left over. Okay. But this here, 1,000 is not a word. 1,000 is expressed as 10 100. So this here is 10 times by 100. Okay. And then this word here is actually this term here is 7370. Wait, is this still correct? 737 times 10 times 100 plus 106. No, 7370 times by 100 times by 10. That's not enough zeros. It is just seven three seven zero times by 10000 plus 6 minus 100 minus x. That is our answer. Okay, so then we need to turn that right there into a more useful number. 7370 is, right, it's got a plus 0 at the end, so we can get rid of that, but we can't. We need to encode this as 7 lots of 10 at the end. Okay.
I'm back. Is this still a thing?
Yeah, just about.
Does that mean you're just about to be finished?
No,
or?
I'm going to go cook and take a quick break, and then I'm going to move from doing syntax tests to doing the relay. Right now I'm designing the number system, though, which is base 8 with bullshit combination rules for how it's actually spoken.
But I didn't even make a design a number system thingy.
Yeah, but no, because I'm not having articles, which means to do an to do a definite, to do an indefinite, you say one of, like you do in Chinese, as in of one.
That just makes it an indefinite.
Yeah, but if I'm gonna have a
Another
number, if I'm gonna have
anything,
if I'm gonna have a number 1, I need to have all the numbers.
I'm sorry that like your experiences with languages have been like English, Turkish, and Chinese, which all do the same thing.
And Korean, which has articles for it, and
like
yeah.
English has articles. Turkish abuses the number 1 for the indefinite.
Chinese uses the number
does
1.
too.
No, I know there are languages that don't use them. Van doesn't have them. But I
That
want
is
them.
Not an example.
I want them in this. No, but like, I know a language can function without them.
Yeah.
I just want them for this language, and because I want the number 1, I want all the other numbers too. Okay, so then I need to do this. So this would be 3 times 100. That's written as 10 times 100. So this here needs to be 10 times 100. But it's 3 times 100. And 7 times by... No. Why are number systems so hard? Alright, screw it. We're not going to do nonsense. We're going to just have a word for every single one. The way Chinese does it, because that's a nice system. I'm doing Chinese numbering as well, because
I'm
it's
gonna
really
drop out
quick
of the
to
call for now.
design.
You were in this call.
Yeah, Stanley's here.
I just was cooking, so
Yeah.
I wasn't
Yeah.
really there to talk. Anyway, see ya.
See ya.
Bye.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Cool. Get rid of this thing here, and that number there can just be fourth. Okay. Hey, what is X? Is X K? Am I assuming correctly that I made X a sensible letter? Yeah, X is velar fricative. Hey. Hey, Fingel. 7 is B, Hefme. 100 is Poife, and 6 is Gi. So the number 3,700,106 is He Fingel Bi Hefme Poife Gi. That's a functioning number system. All right, that's not an elegant one, but it is a functioning one. Okay. Back to robot jump. Jump table robot is literally the thing I've translated that caused me to realize I don't have a way of doing definite versus indefinite, and I want one, and then I need a number system to do that. Was literally the robot jumped onto the table, which is literally just jump robot table in this language. Or jump table robot with the correct tones to mark, like, agent patient.
My flatbread smallness exceeds this one's. Comparatives. Yay.
Yes. My flatbread is smaller than this?
Yes.
Ah, yeah.
Well, then his.
Than his. Oh, right, yep, okay, so that would
This
just
one's.
be my flatbread, so, hold on. Tall, large, divalent, flatbread, agent of his, flatbread patient of mine.
I'm sure that made sense.
I'm not sure. I wouldn't put money on that.
I mean, I actually just say that to be kind, you know.
I need a word for robot. Hey, oh, that works. Thanks, generator. Lexicon. Begin, dict letter. H. Dict entry. Hey, T. Hey, Cho. Which is a noun and it means robot. enum sentence shortec 3. Robot jumps onto table. Actually, it should be jumps to, and I need to wait to do a prepositions, locations. The robot jumped onto the table. Where is my lexicon? You are, where is jump? Jump is here. Jumps to from. Jump jump top table rel top. Okay, yep. And then I need relative, I need locations. Which goes into grammar, which goes into nominal, which goes into noun phrase construction. Different parts of an object are specified with PEL location. It's, for example, tabletop, which is going to be the word for table, which is nyeke, if I don't have one already. I do not. I also don't have nya as a word yet, as a thing in my dictionary, so we'll do that. Begin dict letter /nd dict entry nu /nu nyeke nyeke or nyeke, no, nyeke, which is a noun and it means table. Okay, and then top gets to be pes, because pes is a fun word to say. Begin dict letter p dict entry pes noun top. Okay. And then in my grammar, I get to say orthography. This here would be nyeke pel pes for tabletop. Okay, and then in my robot jump, I do table lock top, and we call this, so we say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 words. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Robot jumps onto table. Okay, so our word for jump goes first. Assuming all that compiles properly. So yeah, once I finish doing this gloss, I'm going to go make myself some dinner, which involves doing some washing up, so it might be a while. I'll stick an AFK splash screen up while I'm gone. Yeah, it's fine. And then after that, once those 5 are done, I will move on to doing the relay, and if I discover any features that are missing to do the relay, I'll tackle them as and when I run into them. It is like, yep, that looks correct. Okay, so then I need to do robot, which is H-O, T-U-O, H-O. Oh yeah, jump first. VSO, jump. Noihu, jump, table, lock top. The table is Noihu Nyeke, Nyeke. Apparently I've accidentally closed Twitch chat somewhere along the way. Oops. Well, rip Twitch chat. If you said anything in Twitch chat recently, I have not heard you, because for some reason I closed Twitch chat without noticing. Is the stream still good and healthy? How long have we been going? Oh, only 4 hours. It's not a full 6-hour stream then right now. Okay. Nyeke. PoAs. The robot was the H-O. Okay, so right now what we have here is jump, table, location, top, jump, table, location, top, robot. Okay, so this should be marked as divalent. And to do that, we say valency, initial syllable high tone. That is, I will check for you in a second. It is ling macros. Nerd is what I'm using for my my macros.
And so am I. There are others,
Noi.
probably more sophisticated
Noi
ones, but
who?
ling macros is straightforward as fuck.
Very straightforward. Noihu. Yep. Do I need anything other than the fact that this word I need its thing? That is non-human to non-human as the verb conjugation.
I'm not sure, by the way, whether I find it horrible or brilliant that you make a new line for each argument in the gloss.
I mean, I think it's more how I lay it out with the parentheses and the ampersands that you should find disgusting.
Yeah.
It 100% all it does is abuse tabulars. It's literally just tables the whole way down, nerd.
You even have to tell it how
Like,
many columns.
you literally, this 5 here is how many columns it has. Yeah. Hello, non-human to non-human conjugation where?
Which also means you can probably just rewrite it in your preamble if you want to customize it.
Yeah. I suspect it's a pretty easy thing to renew command on. So this is neuhute. Sorry, neuhute. Which is jump non-h.
Also, it actually does 2 things. It has the whole table thingy for
it makes some symbols
plus.
not horrible to type, I've noticed, I think. But
And the other thing it does is it just has like an enumeration for early example sentences, which is also nice.
yeah. Okay, so
You can also do stacked enumeration, by the way, like E&M sentence, which has like ABC counters.
the patient singular table. So it is the patient of a verb with divalency. Patient means no tone. Yep. So it's just that without tone, and it's singular, so it's just that. So it's just literally this. Yep. Okay, and then this here needs to have high tone on its initial syllable, therefore. So this is actually H-U-O, H-E-O, and I-O. Pesheto. And that makes this location top don't change. That makes this agent singular robot. There we go. This is a much more like amenable gloss, I think. This is a lot less horrible. I'm going to share the first two syntax tests in SpeedLang and then move on to more fun stuff. Sasha, why is your language not base 8? Base 8 only acceptable space base. Because it's great, mate. Alright, we need a new splash screen for grabbing food.
Are you all gonna like comment on them?
No, that's like all you need. That's just their syntax tests with glosses. What do you want me to comment on them?
I mean, the translations should contain transcriptions, gloss, and commentary and interesting structures if there are any.
Everything that is interesting is also outlined in the grammar. And the only things that are interesting are my valency structure. Like, this is literally my foray into doing weird shit with valency, the language.
Yeah, I mean, that's fine. But, like, hang on. For example, if you take a look at this one, here, then I'm just gonna post, where am I gonna post it? In the Hangout thingy.
Okay, there we go.
These are things that have been put in other places as well, but I like to point them out here so people can pay attention to them.
That's fair. I'll like...
Because, like, this is a thing I really like because I can't be fucked to stare at a gloss for too long. But if you write me, like, things to look for, I will totally look for those.
That's fair. I might do that. But for now, I mean, you know, you can look at the beautiful stream for the new degree of production quality. We now have two different splash screens instead of just one.
I'm gonna ping a call for now.
Fair. Alright, well, I will be back after I've gotten something to eat. So
Right.
I will see you at some point and the stream then.